5 identical squares are placed side by side to form a rectangle. The area of one square is 120 square units. What is the perimeter of the resulting rectangle? So, meron ka dang 5 squares. Place side by side. 1, 2, 3, 5. Alright, ito yung 5 squares mo. Place side by side. Ang area ng isang square is 120 units. Pinapahanap sa atin yung perimeter. Remember, yung perimeter is again the distance around the polygon. So, if isang area ng square is 120, alam natin na yung area ng square is again s squared. So, meron kang 120 equals s squared, or yung s natin is root of 120. Simplify lang natin, meron kang 4 times 30, that is 2 root 30. Ang isang side. So, this is 2 root 30. But we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Times mo yan by 5, meron kang the entire thing will be 10 root 30. Tapos dito naman, again, this is just 2 root 30. Tapos since perimeter and rectangle ito na side is equal to this side. This side is equal to this side. So, ilan yan lahat? Meron kang 10 plus 10, that is 20, 22, 24. So, the answer will be 24 root 30 units, yung ating perimeter. Letter D. Follow for more.